Alright, you can see what we've already got going. I've sweated on a copper to PEX because we're taking PEX on. It is 3/4 inch, but we're going to immediately switch over to 1 inch and let her roll. So that's it. But the only reason I put this on here was to make sure that my copper took, because you never know with this soft, very old copper that's been in the ground, you never know if it's going to take or not. But it took, no problem. And so we're going to run the water line right down through yonder way, come around and go into the house. And it is going to be a chore going into the house. So those roots that you see in the ditch, a lot of those are poison ivy. And yes, I got it bad. You can't see just how bad, but it's bad. It's all poison ivy. Look, got me here. It's all poison ivy. See how splotchy? That root hit me here, 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 here. Oh man, did it mess me up. Got me there, but look how it's just all over. It's terrible, folks, all over me. All over the back of my legs. I don't know if you can see it, but that's from being in the ditch. right, so we're going in. You'll see what we've got. Let's turn this iPhone flashlight thingy on. Oh, it's been a chore, folks. I'm trying to get up under this footer, and it is giving me a fit. All right, you can see where the pipe goes up, right there. That's the pipe, and it comes in from way over there, which we can't do that because it's concrete over there. So I'm digging a hole here. Yeah, so we're hitting a rock. We're hitting something, and it's gonna be tough, folks. Okay, great. So there's another root in the way. Good Lord. That's all it's been. The roots. And as you can see, I don't have any room to do anything. Scraping a little at a time. All right, so we're cutting this out. As you can see, pretty obvious. I've already cut this one. We're cutting this one. We're going to solder a copper to PEX. Watch and learn, he says. And so if you're gonna cut copper, this is what you want. There it goes. Okay.
Got it?
I got it.
All right.
All right. Good Lord. Bad. Okay.
Sorry. I didn't know it was gonna.
Yeah, you should have. You should have known it was gonna do that.
I mean, I figured if it.
Look.
Somebody
Pushing it down. Oh man, that was rough. Did you guys see that? I should have probably had it down there. Yeah, she came out. It didn't cause a mess, just a little bit of water. Yeah, John, you should have known that was going to happen, buddy. Man, that's for me pushing that stupid
pipe.
Yeah, that's for me pushing that pipe down and freaking out. It was gushing in. All right. So we're just going to mark it just to make sure it doesn't move. It's about a ½ inch. We're going to check as we go, just in case. Thing I did that saved you. Alright, so okay, let's check this Did I do that one? Okay. Alright, I'm gonna start up top and work my way down. Alright, it's good and tight. sweet.
All right.
All right. All right, folks, it is all she wrote. Done deal. We'll see you.